Insta360 One RS, how to connect to a phone. Before connecting, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone. Press the power button to power on the camera. Open the Insta360 app. Tap the yellow camera icon, confirm your camera name, and tap Connect. The first time you connect the camera to your phone, you'll need to confirm on the camera's touchscreen. Once you're connected, you'll be able to do lots of useful stuff, including Wi-Fi preview. Preview the shot on your phone. Shoot. Select the shooting mode, shooting parameters, and shoot. Download. Download footage directly from the micro SD card to your phone. Edit. Edit the footage. Export. Export the footage to your phone's local album.